Hi, I'm Darren Crannis. I'm a technical manager here at the ECA, and today I'm sharing with members that there's a new draft for public comment on Amendment 3 to BS 7671 18th edition. So this DPC focuses on a new regulation for protected devices where there might be bidirectional energy flow, so bidirectional power flow. And that's particularly important if you're in the renewable space. So solar PV installations, battery storage systems are two classic examples. With that regulation that asks you to consider the flow of energy in which direction, there are of course a couple of definitions, one for bidirectional and one for unidirectional devices. So we ask members, they can log on to the BSI development portal today. So this consultation period runs for a short 1 month period. That's from the 8th of May 2024 to the 5th of June 2024. And make your comments on this draft for public comment by the 5th of June, either directly to the BSI themselves, or you can email technical@eca.co.uk. The amendment itself should be published in early summer 2024.